Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Creations TV. You are welcome to my channel, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in once again. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join, so every single time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. These are the materials we'll be needing to make this fan design: velvet metallic ribbon, gum, black thread, boning. So you need a lot of this, a pair of scissors, hot gum glue, foam, and the skeleton for the hand. I just picked up a piece of wood for this. Already made one is sold at the market. I'm going to start by taking the necessary measurements I'll be needing for the boning. This fan design is going to be in 2 steps, but I ended up using 3 steps, which I'm going to show you at the end. For the first step, I'll be needing my boning to be 21 inches long, and that's what I'm measuring. So I'm going to cut it right here on 21 inches. Then for the second step, I'll be needing my boning to be 14 inches long. The next thing I'm going to be doing is take my metallic velvet ribbon and wrap it all around the boning. So I cut 9 pieces of the 21 inches long boning and 8 inches of the 14 inches length boning. So the best boning to use for this design is this original boning. Next, I'm going to apply my glue on the boning. At the tip, I'm going to apply on the front and on the back. As I wrap it, I'm going to just apply on the outer part of the boning. So I'm going to keep adding my glue on smaller part of the boning while I wrap it. I don't want to apply my glue all over so it won't get messy. I will keep wrapping all the boning I've cut out until I am done with everything. When I get to the other side of the tip of the boning, I'm going to apply the glue just like I did at the beginning. I will apply it on both the front and the back and secure my ribbon on it. So I have 9 pieces of this and I've wrapped everything. All the boning I will need for this, I've wrapped everything. So because we're making a flower like hand fan, I'm going to make each of these boning look like a leaf. Now, this is how I'm going to bend it and place it on each other like so. I'm going to apply my hot glue on it because this gum will not work for it. So I will apply my hot glue on it and come back and show you guys. This is what I've done. As you can see, they are all looking like teardrops. And to make them look exactly like leaves, to have the shape of leaves, I will take each of them and bend the upper part. I will show you how to do that now. So as you can see, it's beginning to look more like a leaf. I'm just going to do everything like this. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to wrap these leaves with two nets. This is meant to create an illusion for each of these leaves and also a gathered design at the lower part, which is going to make it look more like a flower. Just make sure you wrap it very firmly so there wouldn't be any loose parts on the net. After this, I'll use my thread to wrap it round just to secure the net in place so it won't loosen. This is actually looking very cute. Like a cute little piece of leaf. Alright, this is how everything is looking. I've wrapped everything up and they're all looking very nice and fine. What I'm going to be doing next is to flesh this handle. I just randomly got a piece of wood to make the handle. This is sold ready made at the market, so you just have to flesh it. I just got a piece of wood and I'll use this foam to make it handy. I'll sew it round just to secure my foam in place. I don't have to be too aggressive with it because if I'm aggressive with it, the thread is going to rip the foam apart. So I'm just going to be nice with it and sew it round. Now these two circle thingy that I cut out is meant to cover up the rough edges from the flowers, and the other one is meant to cover the back of the fan. What I'm going to be doing is to apply my glue all over this front part, and I'm going to use this black material to cover it, so the material will just serve as the base of it because I'm still going to place some embellishments on the round surface. This is what I have now. This is what I have. My circle is not so perfect, and that's because I felt I will still cover it with embellishments. Now what I'm going to be doing now is to place my leaves on this surface. I'll need my gum glue for this too because this glue will not work for it, so I'll need my hot glue for it. The flower design is already beginning to take shape, and as you can see, it's now looking more like a flower. I'm going to add the handle to this part. I'm just going to apply my glue and attach it to the flower. And here we have our flower design. It's even nice like this, but I'm going to be extra. This is how it's looking now. At the end, I still added one more step to it to make it look like an actual flower. This is the applique that I'll be using to embellish the front and the back of this fan, just to beautify it more and to make it look like an actual flower, and to also cover the rough parts of this fan. I'm just going to attach it to the fan, and that's it. If you watch this video to this point, make sure you drop a like and drop a comment. Let me know that you watched it to this point. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Bye.